If she talking to you, that means she crush on you.
And to my
In my store, there's 100 of girls talking to me.
Listen, 2 girls crush on Junior and no girls crush on Jonas.
one.
So who is handsome?
Jonas की है ना?
Jonas have no crush.
बताओ क्या मैं?
Junior
Don't.
Junior have 2 crush.
You are not.
One is Tamalia,
No.
one is what? Dora.
Dora. Dora.
No, but
What is the next girl name,
listen.
Junior?
Sia.
Deborah.
Devora.
Okay,
Oh.
Devora
And she
talking
wear
to
glasses?
you and you feel that he crush on you?
No, she talks. She's always like.
Dora.
She has a crush on me.
Dora.
So she tell you that she has a crush?
Dora.
And no girl have crush on Jonas.
How you know?
What one?
Dora.
I'm guessing.
Dora.
You guessing? That means you are
I
guessing?
guess.
Ah, shit.
What the hell? I don't understand.
No, now 2 girls crush on Junior.
Dora,
My Junior is
Dora.
handsome. My Puchi handsome.
Dora.
My Puchi is handsome.
Dora.
Not like you, Dada. You have no crush. No girl crush on you.
Oh God.
Hmm.
Emotional.
So Junior is more handsome than you.
Sora. There is
And Jonas is no handsome.
Dora.
No girl crush on you. No girl crush on you.
Dora. I see Dora.
Oh, that's in Dora.
Or should Dora these nuts in her mouth.
She's in grade 1 too? Oh, she's in grade 2. So both the girls.
Grade 1.
No,
No, grade 2.
She don't. Oh.
both girls in grade 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was about to say something. Bro, 200 plus 200 is 400. 100 plus 100 is 200. I'm not telling.
But Junior, do you have a crush on anybody?
No.
Imagine if you
No?
actually had one.
Do you like any of that girl who have crush on you?
No.
No? Oh, alright. Long way to go.
Oh, wait a second. I have 3 crushes. 3
Yeah.
people that. But then somebody doesn't have it, and then somebody.
So let's do something, right? Night.
So you have 3 girls have crush on you?
Yes, one in grade 3.
One is grade 3. And one in
But-
grade 2.
But now she doesn't have a crush on me anymore. Neither Tamaya has a crush on me anymore.
She
Okay.
don't.
So 2 people doesn't have a crush on me anymore. So it's only 1 person has a crush on me. I feel like
Who's that? What's her name?
Deborah.
Deborah.
I think she has a crush on me.
She wear glasses?
Yeah.
You like glasses, girl?
No, sir.
No, sir. Exactly.
I feel like she's a nerd.
You think she's a nerd? Junior, girls are pretty. Shouldn't say that.